In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add pictures or product images to your Wix website. It is super easy. All you have to do is you have to click on Add Elements from the left-hand side. And then right here, we want to hover over Image. And you will see different options for uploading your pictures. So you can either import them from Google Drive, from Instagram, so on and so forth, or you can directly upload them from your PC. So if I click on upload, again, it will give us different options for how we can upload images. But if we want to upload from our computer, we just click on this blue button and we select the image that we want to open. It will take some time to upload, and once it has been uploaded, then we can click on this Add to Page button right here at the bottom. And now, as you can see, we have the image in its full size, and we can resize it, and we can also move it and place it wherever we want. So that's how you do it. That's how you add images or pictures to your Wix website. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.